Let's look at 5 useful and short phrases now to talk about the winter. Our first phrase, Bhí an aimsir go húfásach. The weather was awful. Bhí an aimsir go húfásach. Next, let's talk about the wind. So, Bhí an ghuí ag séide go láidir. The wind was blowing strongly. Bhí an ghuí ag séide go láidir. Next, Bhí beagán cio ann. It was a little foggy. Bhí beagán cio ann. Next, Bhí me préachta go cnámh. I was frozen to the bone. Bhí me préachta go cnámh. Our next phrases then are to do with describing the rain. So how to say it's lashing rain or spilling rain. So our first way of saying that could be the following. It is lashing rain. So tá sé ag cur fork agus scanna. So that literally translates into saying that it is raining knives and forks. Tá sé ag cur fork agus scanna. It is raining knives and forks. Another way to describe that then would be the following. Tá sé ag cur scanna gréisí. Tá sé ag cur scanna gréisí. So that literally means it is raining cobbler's knives. So just some colourful ways to describe the rain. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and I'll be back very soon. Slán go fóill.